Telegram, how to join group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can join groups on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To be able to join groups on Telegram, there are many ways. If someone have sent you a group link, you can select that group link and join a particular group. If you have the QR code, you can actually scan the QR code. But if you want to search for that group manually and you know that it does exist, you can tap the search icon from here and you can simply search for their particular group, right? So just go ahead and search for their group over here, and once you see a certain group, let's say, you can just go ahead and then actually select that group. So let me go ahead and then enter that as well. Once you select a certain group, you'll find a join icon, and the rules to join a group may differ from group to group depending upon how the rules are there. As in this case, you can tap the join option here and you can see prove your worthiness or prove the captcha and so on. You can select that and then you can go ahead and finish the captcha, and then you'll be able to join the group. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically join a particular group on Telegram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.